Is the Tribit Stormbox Micro 3 truly the ultimate portable Bluetooth speaker for 2025? This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers shockingly impressive sound quality that defies its ultra-compact size, making it a must-have for music lovers on the go. You won't believe the rich acoustics from such a small device, easily outperforming many pricier rivals like the Bose SoundLink Micro 2, while costing half the price. The upgraded Tribit Stormbox Micro 3 now features a revolutionary magnetic base, letting you stick it to almost any metal surface, from bike handlebars to your fridge, for unparalleled versatility. Plus, its incredible 24-hour battery life means your music never stops, a dramatic improvement over previous models. This 2025 Editor's Choice winner is fully waterproof and dustproof, with an IP68 rating, ensuring durability for all your adventures. It even doubles as a power bank and speakerphone, packing an array of features into its sleek design. Discover why this Tribit Stormbox Micro 3 review declares it a top value pick in the micro speaker category. Don't miss out on the best budget Bluetooth speaker experience this year. Find links to buy your Tribit Stormbox Micro 3 in the description below. Get ready to transform your audio wherever you are.